Yo, free online money maker. What up, YouTube? What up? Happy Cash Out Fridays. All right, ladies and gentlemen, happy Cash Out Fridays. Hope everybody doing good out there. I hope everybody being safe out there on an every single day basis. People, take every second, minute, hour, day, right? Month, year, week, everything. Take all that in. I take it all in. The days are going by fast. Months are going by faster. If you don't notice, just continue to keep grinding, people. This is what we do. We take the income and we implement this in our lives. Whatever we need, gas, food, bills, right? Investments, right? Overdraft funds, right? Everything is covered little by little. That's the thing, all right? We're not making $100 a day, but to make $8 a day, right? So this video right here make $8 a day, people. Like I said, every single day this is what you want to do. I'm giving you the exact blueprint, step by step. Plus, I got multiple cash outs. All right, we're gonna dive straight into it, people. All right. So, like I said, right in the backstage, right here, prize level. Like I said, every single day you want to figure out a way to create a stream of income. All right. There's no excuses. It doesn't matter who you are, where you live at, what you're doing. All right. As long as you get on YouTube and throw something on there, you're already like 80% of the way there. All right, people. So on an every single day basis, I'm gonna teach you guys how to really put this together. Start your own YouTube channel about whatever you want, and still implement what I'm doing into it. And on an every single day basis, you could just continue doing that. You could actually build something. All right, that could really like just be an asset. All right. For the last 4 years, my YouTube channel has been an asset. All right, Google sending them checks every single month. So it's on you to really like start understanding, like, I'm gonna have to figure something out, no matter what it is. Maybe it's not YouTube, maybe it's not what I'm showing you, right? But what I'm saying is gonna have to stick. All right, so we're gonna dive straight into a prize rebel. All right, one thing I want to do, I just want to cash out real quick. All right, people, look at the stats. Nothing crazy, people. Look, $3.85 today. All right, so this is my earnings today, $3.85. All right. So the team's getting money out there. All right, the team is getting money, and usually there's always about 80% to 50 to 80% more income here of people that just didn't use my link. All right, so like I said, when you use my link, you're gonna usually get a bonus, and your account usually runs smoother. Every time I sign up to any of my sites, I've signed up under somebody. All right? If you're new watching the channel, subscribe. That's what we do every single day. All we do is share different ways on how to make income online that actually work. Don't stop wasting people's time and get in here, get in and out. We're earning income every single day into the PayPal cashing out. All right. So long week, all right, birthday week. So we're gonna catch this out real quick. So I just been all over the place, no sleep. So I've just been off this whole week. That's why I haven't shot any videos or anything like that. Still have an old video I need to shoot when I was out there. So like I said, people, on an everyday basis, you want to just continue to find different ways to invest income into what you're doing. All right, people. See, my income went down right here. Usually, I don't know why it does that when I go to the earnings screen. I think that it's not finalized, so they won't let me. You know what I'm saying? I think that's why they do that. You kind of get what I'm saying? I think it was 14.7 or something like that, and it went to 14.34. It went down. I think it goes down because them points are not all the way valid yet. Sometimes they have points pending, and when those points finish pending, then they'll give them to you. Let's scroll down right here. Let's get into PayPal. I'm gonna give you guys the exact blueprint, people, of what I do on each site right now. Like, it's that quick, that easy. It's what's gonna happen is all you're gonna have to do is start implementing this into your life. So there is gonna be a couple hours, somewhat within the day, that you're doing this, right? So you're gonna have to add that into your daily routine. So all you have to do is cut something out that you wasn't really doing, that was wasting time, and put this into your life on every single basis. You got income coming in. You can take that income and you can invest into whatever you got going on, right? Or you can just keep saving it, use it as a saving account. All right? I have some people that do what I'm doing, all right? They use different multiple sites, earn income online, just coming here doing their surveys, watching their videos, watching their ads, doing different offers and things like that, and they're not even spending the money. They're making $10, $12, $14, $20 every single day, not even spending the money, though, just letting it sit to do something big later, right? That's what I'm saying. It's not about making hundreds and hundreds of dollars. We want to do that. We're going to get to that point at some time. We're going to get to that point. I promise you guys, because this is what I'm doing. This is what I built my everything around. on my channel, is how to make free money online. So I'm teaching you how to make free online money. We're going to take that money and we're going to put it into different businesses and different streams. And then we're going to make paid money online more. All right? Enough to where we can quit our jobs. Not just making money here and there. I'm talking about real 9 to 5 and beyond income. All right, people? This is what I'm going for. All right? So let me cash this out real quick. $10. And we're going to jump into this tutorial on Prize Rebel. So like I said, every site has a different tutorial. When you sign up, you do not want to sign up to all sites at the same time. Makes no sense. You want to start earning on one site at a time. All right? Preferably, I would start with Prize Rebel. All right? Preferably. But if you really need this income, you're going to start with one of the other 3 sites that I'm going to show you here. Either Offer Nation, Rewarding Ways, or Super Pay. Because these are $1 minimum to cash out. All right? Once you get verified. So, I don't know how the verify system works, but because I've been using this since almost a long time, right? So they didn't have certain verification processes that they have now, right? So, all right, just catch the $10 out, $477 here. You see that? See how it went up? It was $434 something, $1434. Now it's $474, right? People, look, you have to understand the power of what I'm trying to teach you and show you guys. Another another 23 cents, and I'm cashing out $5 again. It's not money. What are you going to do with $5, right? What is that? It's nothing. But if you give me that every single day for how long? Last 500 days, 800. So you say it's going to, you have to understand that. It's going to start. This is how streams of income work. You got small drips. Your 9 to 5 is a big drip of income, right? These, what I'm showing you is small drips. You add all these up. This is how you get to where you want to get to. You add them up until your easier incomes or your better incomes that you preferably overtake your 9 to 5 incomes and the other like hard labor incomes that you got to do. That's the way you do it. You got to do investments. You got to invest in yourself. All right, look. All right, more earnings coming in, people. Look, more earnings coming in. So like I said, this is proof facts results. You know how I do, people. Proof facts results. I show you guys everything that I do, people. I show you guys everything I do on an every single day basis. All right. So right here, let's dive into a super quick tutorial. I would advise you guys to watch my other tutorials. They're better, more in depth, more in detail, stuff like that. But like I said, on an every single day basis, you want to grind, kick, scratch, push, claw. You just want to do something, people. Even if it's not what I'm showing you, do something else. But it gotta be producing you income every day. Even if it's $1 a day, it's $365 a year. Start somewhere. You gotta start somewhere, people. Alright? First thing you want to do is get this extension. Alright? Prize Rebel tutorial. First thing you want to do is get this extension. Alright? You're gonna scroll down right here. You're gonna go to download our Chrome extension. If you don't like Chrome, I'm sorry, people. You're gonna have to get it. They give you free points just for having this. Just for having. You see, I have 1,316 notifications. I never click this. I keep forgetting. I never click it. Once you click it, it goes to 0. I never click it. I just do my thing, right? So, look, you know how many free points I missed out of these 1,300 notifications? What are these 1,300 notifications? Oh, you have earnings. You have earnings. You have earnings. Another referral signed up. You have earnings. You have earnings. You have earnings. Oh, free offer. 50% more points on this offer. Like, you have to have this. Very important, all right? First step, download that, all right? Once you download that, pay attention to it. Always click it. Always pay attention. They're going to give you free bonus points almost every single day. You have to pay attention. Especially if you're new, you have to pay attention. It's going to give you free bonus points almost every single day. All right? Another thing you want to do, this is the home page, all right? Home page when you come in here. All right? This is my level. Your level is going to be, I think silver or something like that. All right? See my name right here. All right? First thing you want to do, you want to get points quick, go follow them. Get a pen. Get these points, right? The first step you really want to do here, all right? You want to do these high surveys, right? You want to do your daily surveys, Samplicious surveys, your surveys. These are longer surveys, but they're higher paid surveys, 70-cent surveys. I used to bang 10 of these a day, easy. $7, easy. I used to bang like 4 or 5 in the morning before I go to work. 5, like 5, 6 surveys before I go to work. That's how dedicated I used to be, because I used to just know income every single day is going to help me. It doesn't matter how I'm getting it. It doesn't matter what it is. I just need income every single day. All right? So first thing you want to do is go to your surveys, your daily surveys, or your surveys. All right? Samplicious is very good too. So is daily surveys. All right? Peanut Labs is more like offers. All right? You like to do little clicks. You do tasks. You watch videos, or you'll sign up to something for a Hulu or something, and they give you points for it and stuff like that. Or you can do surveys on there too. So they have a lot of different things on Peanut Labs. All these different names are just different vendors and different survey providers. So once you start getting into using these sites, you're gonna know how to use what. All right. So that's that. So let's go to surveys right here. This is going to be the most important part. This is where the money at. I mean, this is just like a broad introduction right here, but this is what I'm going to take you straight to the money. And I'm going to cash out these other 3 sites. It's Happy Cash Out Fridays. You know how to do. Just Google Happy Cash Out Fridays, people. I'm everywhere. All right, Google Happy Cash Out Fridays. You're going to see a long list of videos of me cashing out multiple sites every single Friday, people. Anytime I skip a Friday, it's because I'm just like moving. I'm all over the place. I don't have a chance to do a video, busy, fall asleep, whatever. See what I'm saying? So sometimes it'd be like that. All right. So you want to go to your surveys first, people. I'm telling you. See how I just showed you everything? But here it's like laid out for you. All right. Once you go to your surveys, look, 75-cent surveys. Look, $4.40 for one survey. 16 minutes. What does 16 minutes mean? The average time it takes for a person to do this survey takes 16 minutes. All right. Excuse me. So every time you see this, and this right here has no points because it's unlimited. So it's usually unlimited for that. All right. So look at all these surveys, people. Look, endless. All right. Then you have to remember, around Christmas time, around Thanksgiving, it's gonna start getting less surveys. So you guys want to start like picking it up right now. Now is the time to start picking it up. All right. All these are different offers. Go into here and check them out. The first ones to go to is your surveys, Peanut Labs, right? Samplicious is good, and you have to go to Opworld. Opworld is 50-cent surveys, 50 cents a pop. Do 10 a day. 10 a day, you got $5 every single day. You got $150 a month. All right? So Offer Nation, I'm going to just dive into here. Like I said, I just take you guys where the money at. There's so much more you could do on that site. I just take you where the money at. You want to do that, and you want to watch videos. All right? Like I said, watch my other tutorials. I just wanted to really get into these cash outs and just show you the power of what you can do if you really like put you know what I'm saying? You put it together. You really could do some things out here. All right, let's go to withdraw points. Oh, I meant to go to convert. My bad, people. Go to convert real quick. And look how quick I'm gonna do this though. All right, it's gonna be 607.78. Like I said, this is why that's why I tell you guys start earning. The income I'm showing you that I'm making here, $9.74. This is probably like 5 days, 6 days of income, right? This is not every single day me cashing this out. It's not. But I'm trying to tell you, if you go on the site, you can make way more than I'm showing you that I'm making. This is what I'm trying to show you guys, the power. All right, go to withdrawals, Offer Nation. All right, same thing when you go there. You want to go to surveys, and they're going to have mostly the same exact stuff I showed you. They're going to have on the other provider. Look, daily, your service, top. That's why I said don't sign up to everything at once. Sign up to one, start earning on one first, then you sign up to another one. All right. Let's go to did I convert this already? I did. Let's go to Instant PayPal. Always go to Instant PayPal. It's faster, right? 10:24 p.m. So tomorrow I'll be able to cash out around that time. Instant PayPal. All right. So I cashed out right there. $9.74 rewarding ways now. That was Offer Nation. Now I'm at rewarding ways. Let me convert to cash. Convert my points. 991.48. That should come out to like $13, $14. Oh, $12.69. My bad, my math is off. $12.69 right there. All right, let's cash this out. Go to rewards right here. You go to withdraw cash. Go to Instant PayPal. All right, $12.69 plus the $9. That's about $21 right there. Let's go to Super Pay. $21 plus the $10 on Prize Rebel. That's $31. Let's go to convert points here on Super Pay. Super Pay, I got about $18 on Super Pay. So like I said, people, you can cash out. This is like 5 days of worth of income. So you could make way more. You could make this in a day. You could make $10 in a day off this site, people. So I'm trying to tell you, it's the power of this. All right. Now let me just hurry up and convert this. Let me hurry up. I'm just hurry up and withdraw this, pause it, and I'm going to show you guys in my paper. And I'm back, y'all. This is what I'm trying to tell you guys, that power. $41.25. You see the payments here, and I think I'm still waiting for Prize Rebel to come in. All right, so that'll be a $51 cash out once Prize Rebel comes in. All right, So it's free online money maker every single day. Get this money. Happy Cash Out